Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a video meeting with the code in Gmail. Whether it's for work, school, or just catching up with friends and family, knowing this quick method will save you time. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see the Meet icon. Click it to open up your video meeting options. Inside the Meet section, you'll find different choices like starting a meeting or joining one. For this tutorial, click on Join with the Code. A text box will appear where you can type in your meeting code. You'll usually get this code from the meeting organizer, maybe in an email invite or a message. Make sure to double check the code, since even a small typo can stop you from joining. Once you've entered the code correctly, click the Join button. Depending on the meeting settings, you might see a short waiting screen before the host admits you. As soon as you're in, check your microphone and camera settings. A quick check ensures you don't run into awkward technical issues when it's time to speak. Here's a quick tip. If you often join meetings, consider bookmarking the Gmail Meet page in your browser. That way, joining in next time is just one click away. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can join any Gmail video meeting using a code. Super easy, super fast. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Until next time, happy connecting.